Hey everyone, we are here playing as Next Design. This is a deck called High Violet. It was pretty popular recently on Netrunner DB. This is the ideal hand. We definitely keep this and throw down a lot of things. It's a really quick deck. Does not use Jackson, so it has all the draw, all the money, and possibly a little quick for me, but we'll see how we get on here. We'll put this on R&D. I really hope they don't play Inversificator. We'll put this in New Remote. And then we drop. And this is great. So we have Christium now as well. We have Turing. Things are looking good. Now we just need to find an agenda. Hey! What more could you ask for? So let's this on server 1. Let's this on the server 1. And we're actually short of money, so gain a credit. Hope they don't run. And he tends not to want to run turn 1 as well. That's a lot of money. They could go for a siphon here as well, which we can actually withstand. Legwork, that's actually fine. They can trash the Christium if they want, but I'm okay with them having the access of the 3 cards. Unfortunately, it's 1 of Christium we play, which means we'll be susceptible to account siphons. But they actually left it. Interesting. And we're going to shut them down with Turing as opposed to Fairchild because they have nothing to trash. Could get them to pay 3, but this actually works out better. So we'll just score this out. And unfortunately, we're a long way off playing the Ultraviolet, so maybe that was a mistake. Data Sucker, Dirty Laundry, sure. Unfortunately, it's not a vanilla or something like that. Running HQ, that's fine as well. Data Sucker, that's going to be a pain. So credit. At least we can start resing both of these now. It's a shame we don't have Architect. That'd be much nicer. We'll let them into HQ. Data Sucker counters, it's not ideal. Okay, let's put this on HQ. Credit. Next turn now we can Ultraviolet. Even though we'd be drawing so many cards. So it may actually be worth waiting another turn. They're going to special order for... Okay, great. That is good for us. It is not Inversificator, which causes all sorts of problems for poor old Quandary. And we're going to hold off on this for 1 turn, so we can do this, put this on R&D, and gain a credit. Next turn then, drawing a load of cards isn't quite so bad. Mongoose. Yeah, it's not cheap for Mongoose, so that's fine. Yes, of course, Data Sucker makes it considerably cheaper for Mongoose. Wow, they are fighting fire with fire of the whole go quick thing. So I'll do this. This is just click, isn't it? It's not terminal. Which means we can install this into server 1. And because we're not engineering the future, we can flip it. Install this into server 1. And we could in fact put something on R&D as well, just to stem the tide here a little bit. But I think we leave this where it is. So Ultraviolet is going to be an expensive one. We kind of need to clear out our hand, especially as it's terminal. Hopefully they don't hit here. Okay. So let's money, and draw 4 cards. We'll have to discard 2. But that's not too bad. We can get rid of Quandary. Something else. Let's get rid of Quandary and Chrysium, maybe? Actually, let's res and install. Let's go with Quandary, still fine out of there. Let's put this on R&D till they show us a paperclip or something. Wraparound will do the job nicely. Damage on archives. So money is not going to be an issue. Unfortunately, more data circuit counters. So I nearly should have used the advanced assembly lines now. But such is always the way. Kind of have to go this on server 1, this into server 1, and actually, did we use advanced assembly lines after a terminal? We did. Tisk. Because that is breaking the rules. So install this into a new remote. Possibly inside job, paperclip, that kind of thing. But we'll see. Where is it? They can trash if they want. It's not a Jackson. They're just going to take money. There's paperclip. So now we need to find Hunter Seeker. Which we can use on, well, Ibnagale seems like a good choice here. And unfortunately we have to try not to lose. So we do play 2 Hunter Seekers as far as I know. Hopefully find one of them with this draw. No. Okay, well, this can go on R&D. And we'll... This on archives does nothing. Possibly just gain a credit, or let's draw. Loads of cards. Arc lockdown. So we'll get rid of Vanilla, and we'll get rid of Chrysium, I think. Yeah, the data circuit counters is going to cause problems. Aeneas Informant. Now, if we res it, they don't get data suckers, so I think that's worth doing. They could, of course, get global food here. Okay, not terrible. Now, how do we get out of this? We've no Hunter-Seeker option anymore. So instead we have to just stack something. Now, let's put this on archives. What can we arc lock down? Nothing of interest, really. Put this on server 1 and gain money. So this is going to be strength 6, which isn't bad. Now, 1 in 4 shot of losing the game. There it is. Ooh, that was rough. The early access has really screwed us over. And they got the perfect draw. 200 Seekers hiding out at the bottom. That was never going to work. And yeah, didn't find the right things to jam at the right time. Had a good start, but aside from that, not ideal. I hope you enjoyed it anyway. We'll give this deck another lash. And yeah, see you next time.